Now I want to show my power, Mom.
Okay, let me see. Tick, tick. Oh my God! How are you doing this? Ooh. Wow. Do you know how to stop? Do you know how to stop, Ritvik?
First, let me show you that. Okay. Yes.
Oh